Hi, in this user manual video, we will discuss about few important FAQs which will also help you to navigate through the platform. So let's log into the platform. So once you log in, we are going to start with the FAQ 1. How to add employees. On the left hand side from people section, click on profile. Once you click on profile, you will see two options. One is the quick add and another is the bulk upload. If you want to quick add employees, click on quick add, give details as employee ID, name, email, location and date of joining and so on, and save. Your employee will get added and it will show up here. Step 2, if you want to add bulk employees, first click on download template. A template will get downloaded. Fill the template in the exact same format and then choose the file and upload the same. All of your employees will get uploaded. FAQ 2. How to change employee details. Click on to the employee that you want to change the details. Once you click on, you can see the model starting with name, email, ID. You can change all of this field and you also can change the status whether the employee is active or terminated. Further, click on to the profile section to change the company, department, band, designation, and location. Once you are done with the changes, click on to the save option and your change will get saved. FAQ 3. How to include employees in a review. Once you have added those employees, go to the performance review section. Under configuration, you will see an option called basic setup. Click on basic setup. Once you click on basic setup, you will see three options: basic setup, reviews, and review. Click on to the reviews. You will see a list of employees. Select the employee that you want to include. Once you click on that, that employee will get included in that particular review. FAQ 4. How to exclude employee from a review. If you want to exclude a particular employee from a review, first click that particular review, then again follow the same process as the FAQ 3, then go to the reviews and click on to the exclude employee option. In the search box, type the name of the employees, select the employee and click on submit. Your employee will be excluded from that review. Once you have done with the include and exclude of that employees, click on save option and your changes will get saved. FAQ 5. How to import template for a review. Again, go to the performance review, click on to the configuration, and under configuration, you will find option called import template. Click on the import template. Once you click on the import template, you can see the employee wise template. What template has been assigned for the particular employee. You can see all of this. And for a particular review, if you want to add or import a particular template, click on to the import template option, search for the particular template, select that template and click on save. Your template will get imported for that particular review. FAQ 6. How to set reviewers. Go to the configuration section. Under configuration, click on the set reviewers. Once you click on to the set reviewers option, you will see the list of employees. Select that particular employee that you want to add a reviewer. Click on to the reviewer option. Search for that particular employee that you want to set the reviewer as. Give a preferred weightages and click on the submit. Your reviewer will get uploaded. FAQ 7. If you want to upload bulk reviewers on that same page as set reviewers, click on upload reviewers. Step 1. Download the template. Once you have downloaded the template, fill the template in the same format as the Excel sheet is. In step 2, upload the template and submit. Your reviewers will be mapped against the desired employees. FAQ 8. How to check review status. Click on to the clipboard on the left side. Under that section, you will find an option called review status. Click on to the review status. After clicking on to the review status, a list will appear with a progress bar. You can directly search for the employee that you want to look for, or you can download that entire Excel sheet and keep it for your future references. This is the end of the FAQs. For further suggestion and queries, reach out to us at success@grosam.com. Thank you.